Welcome back to Pamuka Wealth Empire. It's Patrick here, and today we're diving into the ultimate beginner's guide to investing in real estate. Whether you're completely new to the game or just need a refresher, this video will walk you through the essential steps to prepare for and start investing in real estate. By the end, you'll have actionable steps to take immediately, so let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the basics. When we talk about investing in real estate, we're focusing on buying a property, renting it out, and having a tenant cover your mortgage, ideally with a bit of profit on top. Over time, you'll own the property outright, enjoy rental income, and have the freedom to do what you want. Step 1, and I can't stress this enough, build your credit score. Lenders use your credit score to decide the loan terms and interest rates. A higher score means lower interest rates and more money in your pocket. Check out our videos linked in the description for detailed guides on improving your credit score. Next up, save your money. You typically need 5% to 20% of the purchase price as a down payment. This means living frugally and finding ways to increase your income. Whether it's a steady job or starting a side hustle, the goal is to save up for that down payment. Step 3, show your income on tax returns. Lenders want to see a stable, long-term source of income. Make sure your tax returns reflect your earnings accurately, and be cautious with heavy tax write-offs, as they can lower your net income and affect your loan amount. Step 4, get pre-qualified with a lender. This helps you understand how much you can afford and prevents disappointment. Shop around, get multiple quotes, and find the best rates. Remember, multiple credit inquiries within a short period count as one, so don't worry about your credit score dropping. Step 5, research the market. Look for areas poised to grow. I often invest just outside of high-demand areas where prices are more affordable but likely to rise. Drive around, attend open houses, and get a feel for the market trends. Step 6, make offers on properties you think are a good deal. Be patient and know your price range. It's better to wait for the right deal than to overpay. However, if you find the perfect property, don't hesitate to spend a little more to secure it. Step 7, do thorough inspections. Hire professionals to check the property and bring in contractors to estimate renovation costs. This helps you understand the property's condition and negotiate the price accordingly. Step 8, close the deal. During this process, your lender will finalize your loan and an appraisal will confirm the property's value. Closing can take 20 to 45 days, so be prepared for some paperwork and coordination. Step 9, start your minor cosmetic renovations. Focus on easy upgrades like painting, landscaping, and kitchen or bathroom improvements. These add value and can be done quickly, increasing your property's worth and rental income potential. Finally, step 10, find a tenant. My favorite platform for this is Craigslist. It's free and attracts many potential tenants. Check out our video on posting effective ads linked below for more tips. Congratulations, you're now a real estate investor. Remember, this journey takes time and patience, but the rewards are worth it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Pamuka Wealth Empire, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, join our private Facebook group for more real estate tips and community support. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.